Hey Scott, I'm making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Do you want one too?
Yeah, I'm having a hearty craving for some almond butter and pomegranate fruit spread sandwich on frozen rye bread.
That sounds delicious.
I know! Let me come downstairs.
Oh, hey Scott.
Hi, Greg.
Better get the ingredients.
Oh. We got some rye bread left, frozen, fresh from the freezer. So we have that, and the almond butter, and the pomegranate fruit spread, which is organic. Here we go.
Oh no.
What?
Scott, is this all the bread you have, Scott?
Yeah, well, what's wrong?
Didn't you listen in chemistry class today? This is our limiting reagent. If we only have 2 slices of bread, that means we can only make 1 sandwich for the both of us.
Oh no!
Even though we have all of this left over, we're gonna have to share.
That was a good sandwich, and you didn't have any. But what about all these crumbs left? I mean...
You know, Scott, if you hadn't been sleeping in chemistry today, you would know that that's like percent yield in a chemical reaction.
I was sleeping.
You see, Scott, just like in a chemical reaction, you have percent yield. So not all of the reactant reacts, and you don't get as much product as you could. So just like in a chemical reaction, if you have butter and jelly left on the spoon and crumbs left on the plate, that means you didn't have as much sandwich as you could have.
Heavens no! Let's sing a song about it!
Let's talk about reactants and how they interact. Limiting in excess, they've got to be exact. Chemical reactions, essential to our lives. We have got to learn them, so use your ears and eyes. Limiting reactants, some in excess too. Calculate percent yield, it's simple, and show your work to boot. Balance the equation, make sure to write it out. Pick out a reactant and write down the amount. Using stoichiometry, convert to the units of the second reactant, no step can you omit. Limiting reactants, some in excess too. Calculate percent yield, it's simple, and show your work to boot. Limiting reactants, some in excess too. Calculate percent yield, it's simple, and show your work to boot. Compare the resulting value to the given, do your best. And if the given's larger, the reactant's in excess. But if the given's smaller, then it's limiting for sure. Convert into the product and you've got that much no more. To find out the percent yield in any experiment, take the actual amount produced. Actual value is what I meant. Divide this by the value that you ought to get. That is called a theoretical value, and multiply by 100%. Limiting reactants, some in excess too. Calculate percent yield, it's simple, and show your work to boot.